Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Asia, guys. In this video, we're going to be talking about huge Dogecoin warning. Is it time to sell? Is it time to get out of town? Is it time to pack your bags? Is the Santa rally not coming? And what the heck is going on with crypto, guys? Is it time to sell, guys? Is it time to get out of crypto? I know a lot of you have been thinking about packing your bags and running home crying to your mothers about the prices for crypto right now. And I feel you. So we're going to explore that. Is it time to sell? Is it time to get out of town? Remember, no, this is financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Go down there, smash the likes like crazy. Hopefully you guys, if you have time, go and make a cup of coffee right now. Hit pause on this video, get some coffee, because we're going to get freaking serious in the house when it comes to crypto, okay? So go down there, once again, smash the freaking likes, and don't forget to go back and watch all my freaking videos, guys. Yeah, I had a video yesterday, shocking. It was shocking because nobody watched it. It seems that YouTube's algorithm, I'm suffering from algorithmic suppression out there. It seems that suggested videos are not going out, so I'm not getting the views, guys. So it's funny, when you're speaking the truth out there, you often get suppressed. So if I was like hyping it up and everything's going to be perfect, we're all going to be billionaires to the moon, I'd probably get a million views like other people. But in my case, I guess the algorithm doesn't want to hear the truth out there. So go back and watch all the videos. Share this content. I appreciate it out there. So what the heck is going on? We are seeing that major risk assets, tech stocks are selling off. AI stocks are selling off. That is pretty typical. People are moving away from risk assets to risk off assets, and that's why we're seeing crypto dumping out there. However, the pre-markets are looking good out there. The pre-markets are looking okay, so that's good. But we did see the NASDAQ tech is dumping, and when that happens, people move to safe haven like cash, gold, silver, and less risky assets, right? So that's what's going on. Remember, we had the rate cuts. Nothing really happened because that was kind of baked in already. That was baked in. So it was kind of like buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. That's what happened. People took profits. So this is what you're waking up. If it's Sunday in the U.S., it's Monday morning here in Asia. But Sunday, you're looking at this. It's pretty poo-poo schman out there. There's nothing good. There's nothing good to report. XRP is at $2. Ethereum is down. Bitcoin down. It's a big kind of it's a shit show. I was gonna say demonetize me, YouTube. It's a shit show. It really is. It's not looking good. If you take a look at the crypto bubbles, pretty much the same thing. Nothing really stands out there. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Bitcoin right now is down on the day 1%, down on the weekly, down on the month 7%, down on the year 11.9%. Ethereum, pretty much the same thing. We're down on the weekly. Ethereum is doing better than Bitcoin, right? Ethereum is down on the weekly 0.1%, on the month 1.9%, but on the year it's down 19.4%. BNB is up 24% for the year, so you're still in the money if you bought a year ago for BNB. XRP, not looking good, right? It's down 16.7% in the year, 12% in a month, 3.9% in a week, and it's down 1.4% for the day. So XRP holders, it sucks. It freaking sucks. And if you're underwater, for XRP, I know a lot of you are thinking, hey, I should sell, take my money and run. I mean, my philosophy is pretty simple. I never sell a loss. Maybe I need to hold till next cycle, whenever that's going to be, because I think the 4-year cycle is busted, guys. So should you be selling now? Should you sell everything, get out of town? It really depends on your risk appetite, what you're thinking. Do you need the money or not? My advice is don't sell. It will bounce back. Maybe not this year, maybe next year. But there's some good news. Look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin sucks, right? Down 65%, 65.6% in a year. It's incredible, right? Month 15%, the week 2.7, 1.4. There's just nothing good out there. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is down 40% in a year. Like, what the heck is going on with crypto? When are we going to get this rally? When is the bull run over? Look at fear and greed. Like, it sucks. It's at 16. It is. Possibly some people are saying it's time to sell. Remember I talked about this coin yesterday. It was up like 1,000% yesterday, folks. It's gone down a lot out there, but that's the only thing that seems to be making any money right now. So once again, we've got the market cap still above 3 trillion. Let me just give this a minute to refresh. Don't forget to smash the likes out there. We've got the market cap 3.05, fear and greed 24. That's all crypto, not just Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. In case you're wondering, that's Bitcoin, fear and greed. We're seeing altcoin season. Forget about it. And we're moving closer to oversold. We're not oversold yet, but we're moving closer out there. Overall, pretty disastrous day. TRX is up. There's nothing up. I don't see anything. Let's scrolling. We're scrolling. We're getting low. Canton is up 4.41%. I don't know anything about that. If you know anything, comment, guys. Comment. Do you think that the bull run is not coming? Do you think that we're done and dusted? Do you think it's time to sell? Do you think it's absolutely time to sell? Get out of crypto, move to gold or something like that. We're seeing Bitcoin returns right now. So far, we're seeing December is garbage, right? 2.28%. January historically, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years good, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years bad, right? So typically, if December closes in the red, okay, then January is good, right? Here's a red. Yeah, so it's kind of mixed, right? It's kind of mixed, so there's no real signal there. Liquidation-wise, we're seeing that longs have been liquidated again. If you take a look at the Bitcoin chart right now, we're still seeing that things are not looking good, right? Yeah, not looking good. Latest updates, Bitcoin, the price has fallen approximately to 88.794, reflecting 4.46% decrease in the last 24 hours, influenced by concerns regarding potential interest rate hike by the Bank of Japan. So interest rates in Japan is one of the main reasons that is fueling the crypto dump. Every time Japan increases its rates, we do see crypto dump, and gold go up. So if you're holding gold right now, you're probably happy. I wish I'd bought more gold. Dogecoin, once again, huge descending triangle. Yeah, I mean, if we keep descending, we're going to descend all the way back to like 10 cents, 10 and 6 cents have some support. So we're going to talk about the support and resistance for Dogecoin in a minute. But let's continuing on. So yeah, what's going on? So what do we got to look forward to this week? Key U.S. data this week, including CPI, could shape crypto's next move. U.S. jobs plus CPI drop next week. The same numbers that drive Fed rate cuts, liquidity, and crypto prices. Key releases, we got jobs report on the 16th. We got CPI on the 18th. One hot or soft print could flip rate cut odds fast. Soft data, cooling inflation, weakening labor, higher cuts odds, more liquidity bullish for crypto. So yeah, if we get more rate cuts, that's bullish for crypto, right? Hot data, delays cuts, tighter liquidity, pressure on risk assets. So if the data is soft or lower than expected, I mean, it's better, right? Or we could see that crypto could go up, right? So the Fed already cut 25 basis points this week to 3.5, 3.75. Powell made it clear everything is now data dependent. Markets are watching. Crypto will react out there. So let's see what happens. Let's hope the data comes in soft, right? So if we get cooling inflation, weaker labor, higher cuts, odds, that's rate cuts, right? More liquidity, bullish for crypto, okay? Remember that. If we get hot data, delayed cuts, tighter liquidity, pressure on risk assets, crypto will go down, gold will go up, okay? So that's what's going to happen out there. So yeah, Michael Saylor, he posted this will work for Bitcoin, and the last time he posted something like this was a couple years ago in the last cycle, and this often signaled the bottom. This often signaled the bottom. So when we get all these, we'll work for McDonald's out there. We often we know that's the bottom out there. So yeah, maybe that's an indicator, right? Maybe it's an indicator. So let's quick summary. Why is crypto down? Because short-term liquidity for leverage trades, weak risk appetite in the markets. Like I said, people are risk averse now, moving to low risk. Sell the news reaction after anticipated Fed news, broader market pullback across assets. These short-term technicals and sentiment factors not always linked to a single event. So it's not one big single event like FTX, Dogecoin. It's kind of like a chain of events, and it's really scaring the pants off of retail. So I think a lot of people in retail are selling. I think they will continue to sell, and that's just all there is for that, right? But whales are still buying. Behind your back, whales are buying secretly. That's what's going on. So Bitcoin Rainbow Chart predicts $150,000 to $440,000 in 2026. So this data is based on historical logarithmic patterns. I asked AI to predict the price of Bitcoin 2026 based on the chart data. According to some analysts, based on the chart, historical trends of price could be in this bubble or FOMO intensifies range. So let's ask ChatGPT what will be the price of Bitcoin in 2026. Okay, let's ask the price of Bitcoin in 2026. Let's see what the ChatGPT has to say about that. Okay, here we go. Searching, predicting the exact price of it is not possible. Okay, so analysts forecast estimates for Bitcoin. Some market analysts see Bitcoin potential reaching 150 or higher by the end of 2026. Certain long-term prediction models even suggest 200,000. A bullish cycle, some commentators predict even 130 mid-2026 or above. So let's take a look at moderate forecast models that extrapolate steady growth. Example, 5% annual estimate Bitcoin could be around 90 to 115 in 2026. Based on forecasts, find BTC roughly 95 to 170 next year, depending on volatility. Conservative range models, some technical charts like the Rainbow Chart show possible ranges from 50 up to 150, depending on whether long-term trends hold or not. More statistically driven models indicate ranges between 80 to 100. So guys, what do you guys think? Where do you guys think Bitcoin is going to be in 2026? I'm kind of leaning in the moderate area. That's where I'm kind of leaning, guys. That is what I'm leaning towards out there. So tell me what you're leaning towards out there. I appreciate it. What else we got coming in? Dogecoin XRP is now down 1.99%. Not looking good. XRP versus Bitcoin still looking strong. I'm predicting that 10K XRP, one Bitcoin level to reach in the next cycle. So 10K XRP, yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. So that's just my beat me up in the comments. Doge right now is at 1368, down 50% on the monthly. Okay, it's down 50% on the monthly. If we take a look at 24 hours, let me give this a minute to refresh, make sure we got all the right data. Yeah, we're down like 1.62%. So that's kind of what's happening. So yeah, that's what's kind of happening. We got more downside than upside for Doge. Is it time to sell? I don't think so. Dogecoin could find support at 10 cents or 6.2. So right now, Doge needs to hold the 10-cent level. If not, then Doge will go down to the 6-cent level. That's exactly what's going to happen. And we haven't seen it this bad for a very long time. So like I said, there is a chance that Dogecoin could go down or go up. Totally depending on if we continue to hold these support levels. Looks like possible flag on Bitcoin, BTC 86,000. This is the line to defend. If we lose that, we're definitely going to go down to 70,000, guys. So not looking good. We got a TD buy signal on XRP, but everything hinges on 190, guys. Absolutely hinges on 190. Hold it, and 250 comes into play. Oh yeah, let's see. And remember on previous cycles, we saw that Bitcoin went down minus 60%. We had this huge sell. Then we had this buy, right? So that's how much Bitcoin fell the last time we had this super trend, guys. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's going on out there. Daily hodl looks like Coinbase is saying Crypto turbulence may have set the stage for December to remember. True, this December has been garbage, and looks like long term. Tom Lee says 2026 may look like a bear market. Here's his forecast, and he's kind of saying that things are not going to be looking good till like Q4, Q3 next year. But we have to just hold the fort, guys. So all I can say is you do you out there. And at the end of the day, it's up to you. You want to buy, you want to sell, you want to hold. That's up to you. But what the OG is doing, I ain't selling because I'm too much underwater, guys. I'm holding like a mother out there. So guys, be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.